back again to the channel. Let's quit worry and be happy, isn't it? Yes, as we are seeing over here, the psychology of power. The psychology of power as we see. Yes, that is, I asked three men, he writes, to submit themselves to test the effect of mental suggestion on their strength, which was measured by gripping a dynamometer. He told them to grip the dynamometer with all their might. Okay? He had them do this under three different sets of conditions. When he tested them under normal waking conditions, their average grip was 101 pounds. When he tested them after he had hypnotized them and told them that they were very weak, they could grip only 29 pounds, less than a third of their normal strength. One of these men was a prize fighter, and when he was told under hypnosis that he was weak, and he remarked that his arm felt tiny, just like a baby's. And when Captain Hatfield then tested these men a third time, telling them under hypnosis that they were very strong and their minds were filled with positive thoughts of strength. They increased their actual physical power almost 500%. Isn't that great? Such is the incredible power of mental attitude. To illustrate the magic power of thought, let me tell you one of the most astounding stories in the annals of America. I could write a book about it, but let's be brief. On a frosty October night, we'll continue. Take care. Bye. Love you all. Bye.